Hi my fellow channel followers, welcome to another episode from Yin's Kitchen at Home. I'm so glad to have you here again. Today I'm sharing something very special, a dish that I always look forward to have every time when I visit back in Malaysia. We are making one of Ipoh's most beloved street food, Ipoh鸡丝河粉, 怡保鸡丝河粉 or sweet chicken rice noodle in broth. Ipoh isn't just well known for its beautiful colonial architecture, limestone caves, and hot springs. It's also a true food heaven, and this dish is a must try when you are there. It's light, flavorful, and full of comforting aroma. Perfect for days when you are craving something warm and soul warming. So let's get started. Prawn head or prawn paste is optional but recommended. Check out my video, link below, on how to make homemade prawn oil from prawn head and shells. Add half of the prawn paste to the pot to make the soup base. First, add 2 liters of water to dissolve the prawn paste. Bring it to a boil until the prawn paste is fully dissolved. While waiting for the prawn paste to cook, we are picking some homegrown chives from the backyard. And here's some sugar cane we picked from the front yard. There's always something special about using homegrown ingredients. It always adds love to my every bowl. Rinse sugar cane thoroughly, cut into quarters lengthwise, and gently smash with a pestle or heavy knife. Add sugar cane during the last phase of simmering for the best flavor. Here's the ingredients that you need for broth. 4 whole chicken bones, 4 liters of water, 2 red onions, 1 whole garlic, 2 stalks spring onion, 4 slices of ginger, 1 chicken breast, 1.5 kg prawn head, 2 sticks of sugar cane, salt and sugar to taste, and 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and white pepper. I have previously simmered chicken bone with red onion, garlic, spring onion, and ginger in 3 liters of water. Keep it at a low simmer for 3 to 6 hours to deepen the flavor. Add about 1 liter of concentrated chicken stock to the dissolved soup base. Let it keep boiling for another 5 minutes. Add sugar cane into the broth and simmer for another 20 minutes. Add rock sugar and salt to adjust the taste. I decided to add the other half of the prawn head to make extra broth for the next day. Once the best broth is flavorful, add the prawn and chicken pieces. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until just cook. Remove both prawn and chicken pieces and let it cool down, then shred for topping. Leave the sugar cane into the soup base and let it continue to simmer to release its natural sweetness into the broth. Time to taste the soup base. Wow, it's so flavorful. The umami is amazing. Separate the prawns from the chicken, then shred the chicken to use as a topping later. To make the garlic shallot oil, you need a garlic and shallot. Here is my pre-made garlic shallot oil, which is ready to use. Chili oil. And also, here's my pre-made prawn head oil. Check out the link in the description below for details. Thinly slice the red chili to give the dish a spicy kick. Chop the chive into pieces about 4 cm long. Mix 2 tablespoons of soy sauce with a dash of water. In a separate pot, blanch the bean sprouts and then set them aside. Blanch the chive and set them aside as well. Take 1 packet of fresh rice noodles and blanch them briefly until tender. Place a portion of blanched rice noodle in each bowl. Top up with shredded chicken, bean sprout, and optional prawns. Garnish with chives, fried shallots, and shallot garlic oil. Drizzle with little prawn oil as well as for extra richness. Drizzle some chili oil over the noodles to bring it that extra heat. Ladle hot broth over the top, serve immediately and enjoy your comforting bowl of Ipoh鸡丝河粉. We want to clarify the soup base by straining out the prawn paste from any solids. Drizzle the pre-mixed soy sauce over the rice noodles. This step helps to brighten and enhance the flavor of the broth by adding final savory lift just before serving. Again, drizzle some chili oil over the noodles to bring it that extra heat. Add sliced red chili as a garnish to give the dish a little extra kick. So this is the ultimate shredded chicken rice noodle, so good you'll fall in love with it. Thanks so much for joining me in Yen's kitchen at home. I hope you enjoyed this cozy taste of Ipoh鸡絲河粉. It's one of my husband's absolute favorites. If you try making this dish, please let me know how it turned out in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any more delicious recipe from around the world. Until next time, happy cooking and stay cozy from Yen's kitchen at home.